Hi, this is very important. I forgot to tell you, I just want to remind you about one fact. When you expand the initial, that will be J as in Janathanan, then Kirutika. If there is any mismatch, if it is stored as such, that is not related to my mistake. And as of my knowledge, there is no possibility of having that sort of information in any portal. If that is the case, send me the link, I can manage. Or let me look into the matter. I can get into the place, I can check with the officials. Because there are people, bureaucrats, working for it. So, if you have any issue, let me know about it. I have all the documents, I can go to the place and submit it. And for your information, I just want to remind you about the fact. J is related to Janathanan, then Kirutika. If you are expanding this, because you are asking me to update the details, and I was trying to apply for the PAN card many times. After completing 2 to 3 phases, then you know what? I was not able to connect with the Aadhaar card. Then I came back. I have lot of tokens, token numbers. I have the record of the applications, why it was rejected, what for. It's not about the rejection. It was not at all letting me to submit it because it is not getting connected with the other database. And if I put in the initial, then you must understand it. If it is expanded, then it will be Janathanan. Then my name is coming after that. If you have that sort of information, let me know about it. That is wrong. But as per the initial, that is correct. J is related to my father's name. That is the initial. Because that is how all my certificates are there. J Kirutika. And if you expand it, Janathanan Kirutika. And as of my knowledge, I never tried to put this sort of thing. I was trying to put the initial. It was not accepting it. You could understand that. And how on earth the portal is taking that sort of message, I just don't get it. I can check with the officials and I can look into the matter if at all if there is any clash. If it is claimed by anyone from the income tax department, then I can go and check with that. That's all I would like to tell you. I have all the documents. I have so many documents and I have applied for many, I have applied for the physical PAN card many times. But every time it is getting the clash with the Aadhaar database. Aadhaar database is having the initial. When you expand it, it will be like Janathanan. Then my name is there, that is Kritika. In Aadhaar database, it is written as J Kirutika. All my certificates, school certificates, college, all the certificates are having this name. When you expand it, then it will be Janathanan, then Kirutika. So, in any way, this card is related to me. The number is related to me. Nobody can claim it. Got it? Thanks for your time. Have a good night.